All right, so the first thing you need to do is to come to your browser and type tradingview.com. tradingview.com. A lot of us are familiar with this. So you go to tradingview.com, you allow it to load up, and then you go to products and then charts. Do you understand me? Then you search whichever cryptocurrency you want to trade at the moment. But for today, I'll be using okay, let's use DOT as an example. DOT was the last chart I opened, so let's use DOT as an example. So the first thing you need to do is you need to come to indicators, and then you search for UTBot alert, bot alert. If it's not in your favorite, you can add it to favorite by clicking this star. It will come to your favorite so that you'll not stress in searching it again. Then you click it, and then it appears. It has appeared already. See here, YouTube bot alert. And then the next one you search is Lux Algo. Though this one is paid. This particular indicator is paid. It's not free. You understand? So you search Lux Algo. That's if you have paid for the subscription. If you have not paid for, you need to pay for the subscription. I paid for the subscription, that's why it is highlighted here. So you go for Lux Algo Oscillator, and then you go for Lux Algo Signals. Now this is basically what you need for this what's it called, for this trading. It will give you what you need to have an excellent trade, and it has very high win. But before I continue, if this is your first time of seeing a video from CryptoMore, please do well to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get informed whenever we have any updates. We talk about cryptocurrency and how to make money. Not just cryptocurrency alone, we are diving outside of cryptocurrency gradually. So if this sounds like something that interests you, why not click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get updated whenever we have any video. And also, for everyone seeing this video, please like this video and comment crypto related words in the description box, or how to make money or something like that, so that you can help the algorithm. And then it's actually a massage to my ego, and it makes me go wild to bring in more info to you guys. All right, so thank you so much for doing that. So now back to our initial. Okay, so I guess we have everything. We have Lux Algo here, Lux Algo Oscillator here, we have Lux Algo Premium here, and we have YouTube bot here. So we are good to go. You can cancel here. Now basically, um what we are trying to do is that we are trying to get signal easily. This will ease you know how to do technical analysis. This will ease you more. Do you understand? And if you are a novice too, you're just getting started with technical analysis, this will really help you. Do you understand? It can still help you to pick some trades even while you are still learning. But notwithstanding, this is not a financial advice. This is just for educational purposes. Not if you lose your money, I'm not responsible. Please and please, I'm just bringing this to you as an educational material. So I'm not responsible for your actions. You are actually responsible for your actions. So now, like you see, this right here has given us when we are to buy and when we are to sell. And one thing I must mention again is the time. Please make sure you don't put anything less than 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes should be the least. As a matter of fact, I don't even like that 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is kind of, so let it be about at least 5 minutes. I like to put it 4 hours. Do you understand? But at least let it be 5 minutes. It will give you stronger accumulation. Do you understand, to trade with? Now that we have this, we'll do a little settings on our Lux Algo Premium. And meanwhile, if you want to buy this indicator, I have a link in the description box that will lead you to the Lux Algo website, where we can buy um, the signal. It has the annual, it has the monthly, it has the quarterly, and so on. So that's it. So yeah. So when you come here, let me go back again. When you come here, you click settings and then input. Once you get to this input, then you come to this signal mode, you come to none. This candle whatever, you come to none. You actually don't really need that. Then you switch off this dashboard and put on neo cloud. Now we are already done with this video from here, because this is actually what we need. Now this is the rule of the game, how to pick the signal. Number one rule is that if you want to pick a long trade, if you want to long a trade, make sure this UT-bot alert prints buy. That's the number one rule. It prints buy for you, like you see here. Is buy. That's the number one. Number two, make sure that this Lux Algo Premium, this new cloud here, the new cloud we selected is blue. That's the number two rule. Make sure this new cloud is blue if you are longing. And the number three is come down here, and this oscillator, make sure it is landing at the point where it is green. Like you see this now, if you trace this down, it is on the green part. Do you understand? Now you are good to long. Now your greediness will now determine your take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and the rest of them. Now if you pick, let's say you see this, maybe you come and you see this candlestick right here, it is your own knowledge of technical analysis that will now inform you where you are to pick your maybe what's it called, your TP1, TP2, and the rest. You understand? But like I used to say, you don't have to be greedy. A 10%, a 20%, maybe a 30% is just okay for you to just chillax and enjoy. Do you understand? Now, what I used to tell people is the previous high is likely to be your TP1 if you are longing. The previous highest candle is like a barrier to where the what's it called, the the market might likely reverse. Now this is what I'm trying to say. Now if you pick this trade here, this place right here, if you pick this trade here, you see all this candle, right? This place right here is a TP1 for you. Before you get here is a TP1, because it is likely when the candle gets there, it will reverse. Do you understand? Now if it exceeds this place, the next high is likely to be a another take profit zone. And if it escapes that point, that means it will go to the next previous highest high. Now look at this, look at what I'm trying to say. Now look at this high. You can see it had an obstacle here. It got here and then came back. You can see what I'm trying to say. It came back to this place before it now continued. The buying was so strong, and so it continued. Now the next one is likely to be the point where it will reverse again. And look at what happened here. It got here, it exceeded, but it reversed. Do you understand? Now it reversed and it now surpassed it. This has a resistance too. Let me try and see if I can. Okay, that one is far away. It's actually far. Okay, you see the resistance right here is what is traced. Okay, let me show you something. The point I'm trying to prove is that the previous highest high is likely to be a resistance for your trade, for the movement of the market. Do you understand it? So just don't be greedy. Where were we safe? Where did I think it was here, right? My point is, don't be greedy. Now we'll see more examples. This video is not supposed to take long, so we'll see more examples. Like you see here, this one is a successful one. We see the buy here. This one is blue and this one is green, and then it's moved up to this place. This is it. That's a profit for you. Even if your profit was taken here, bro, move on and go to the next coin or something. Just pick here, chop your thing and go. Move to the next one, chop small, go. Chop small, go. Not that you now be, what if it didn't get here, it remains small and it now reversed. So let's look for another one. Okay, now look at this. Now this is buy, this is buy, this is blue, but this is red. It's risky. It's risky. If you are doing this, don't trade this kind, because it has broken one of the rules. Don't trade, though it still moved, but it didn't really move. Do you understand? It didn't move. See what I was saying. This resistance here, this is acting as a resistance here. That was why it pushed back, and it still resisted here. Do you understand? The previous high. Now let's look for another one that will bait such. See this one right here. This is buy, this is green, this is blue, and then boom, the price goes up. Now enough example for the long. If you want to short, the reverse is the case. the YouTube auto alert must print red. That means sell. That's number one. Then this must be red. This new cloud must be red. Let's look for examples. This new cloud must be red and not blue. And then this oscillator down here must be red too. Now let's look for example. Okay. This is not a good example because this is red, this is red, but this is green. It's not really an excellent example. But if you do your technical analysis well, it might be a good trade. But with what I'm teaching in this video, it's not a good example. Let me look for a good example. Okay, this is a fair good example. It's fair. It prints sell here, and then this is red, this is red. It doesn't matter if the red is coming under or above. This is red, and then boom, the price drops down here. But it's not too excellent an example. Now look at this. Look at this. This is not too. This is still clean. It's still fair. You see. You see the red started here, right? You see, it's still on the red. See, it's here. So it's still an excellent example. And see how well it did. We have sell here. We have red here. And then see how far it went to be short. And then we have, okay, yeah, this is not an excellent example. This is blue right here. So that's it. Now basically there are 1,001 opportunities in the market. So if you don't see opportunity in dot, go to BNB, search BNB USDT and check if it's okay. So once you get your indicators to do justice here, you just go to your Binance and pick a trade. Okay, maybe next time I'll be doing a video on Lux Algo. I'll do a live section so that you can see me trading simultaneously or showing how the charts move with the indicators. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think this is all for the video. So this is basically what I use for myself sometimes, and like you see, I paid for the premium version. And so you can just look for a friend or so that you can, if the money is much for you, that you can come together, pay for this, and then you guys will analyze the market and start making profits on your trading. Till I come your way again, don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your time.